Hello everyone, I'm Carl Gabriel Eperbeta, and in today's video lesson is all about multiplication and division of rational algebraic expression. We'll break down the basics and making these operations more clear and more manageable. So let's jump in and make sense of it together. Okay, I'm gonna teach you about multiplication of rational algebraic expressions. Here are the 4 steps. Number 1, factor the numerator and denominator completely. Number 2, divide or cancel out the common factors. And 3, multiply the remaining terms. And 4, simplify if possible. Let's go for the first example. 30b squared over 6c times 4c squared over 15b raised to 4. Let's check the first step, factor the numerator and denominator completely. As you can see here, it cannot be factored, so all we're gonna do is just simplify all of them. It can be simplified like this. Next, we're gonna cancel out the common factors. Meaning, kakancel natin yung magkaparehas. Kagaya nito. After that, we're gonna multiply the remaining terms. And this is our final answer, 4c over 3b squared. Okay, for the second example, 4x plus 8 over x squared minus 25 times x minus 5 over 5x plus 10. In here, we have to know the types of factoring because it's connected to this lesson. Like this, for example, 4x plus 8. We can factor this using the common monomial factoring. In here, x squared minus 25, we can factor this using the difference of 2 squares. In here, x minus 5, we just copy this. And 5x plus 10, we can factor this using the common monomial factoring. After that, we're going to cancel out the common factors. After that, we multiply the remaining terms or simply copy na lang po. That's our final answer for example number 2. Okay, now for example number 3. 2x plus 4 over x plus 3 times x plus 3 over 2x plus 8. Again, the first step, factor the numerator and denominator completely. As you can see here, 2x plus 4 can be factored using the common monomial factoring. Here, x plus 3, we cannot factor it, so we just copy it. 2x plus 8, we can factor it using the common monomial factoring. This, multiply the remaining terms or just simply copy. Next is multiply the remaining terms or simply copy. Check if simplify if possible. As you can see, hindi na po pwede i-simplify. So, this is our final answer. For example, number 3. So, that's all for multiplication of rational algebraic expression. Let's move on to division. Okay, now we're on division. Here are the steps. First, get the reciprocal. Second, factor the numerator and denominator completely. Third, divide or cancel out common factors. And fourth, multiply the remaining terms. And fifth, simplify if possible. So, napansin ninyo, ito din yung same steps ng multiplication. Diagdag lang natin yung get the reciprocal as a division. Yung reciprocal, halimbawa, 2/3 divided by 4/3. Mangyayari dito, papalitan lang po natin. Yung 4 pupunta sa baba at yung 3 pupunta sa taas. Okay, this is our first example. A squared minus 9 over A minus 3 divided by A plus 3 over 3A. First, we get the reciprocal. And next, we factor the numerator and denominator completely. A squared minus 9 can be factored as using the difference of two squares. Next, we cancel out the common factors and multiply the remaining terms or simply copy. Next, simplify if possible. As you can see, hindi na siya pwede simplify. So, yun na yung final answer natin para sa example number 1. Now, for the second example, 5x cubed over 3xy divided by 3x squared over 24xy squared. And first, get the reciprocal. Next, factor the numerator and the denominator completely. As you can see, all of them cannot be factored out, so we just simply simplify. Next, we cancel out the common factors. Next, we multiply the remaining terms. 5 times 2 is 10, times 2, 20, times 2, 40. Check if it can be simplified. So, it cannot be simplified, so this is our final answer for example number 2. Okay, the third example, 4x squared over 5 divided by 7x raised to 4 over 25. First, get the reciprocal. Next, factor the numerator and denominator completely. As you can see, it cannot be factored, so we just simply simplify lang. Next, we cancel out the common factors. Next, we multiply the remaining terms. Here, 2 times 2 is 4, times 5 is 20. Next, we copy the 7 and the variables. Check if can be simplified, but it's already simplified, so this is our final answer for example number 3. Thank you for joining me in today's video lesson about multiplication and division of rational algebraic expression. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and understanding. So if you have any question or further clarification, just leave a comment below. and like this video if you find it really helpful, and subscribe for more math tutorials in the future. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you for listening. I'm Cal Gabriel F. Beta from 8th St. Ignatius.